Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the third-party tracking function in the Vinted application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And then if you scroll down at the privacy settings section, click on the data settings button. And look for the third-party tracking button. And if you want to enable this function, click on the black circle next to it. And once it turned blue, the function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.